So of course, the first thing that we want to do is to actually import the face right here. So I'm going to use this image as an example. In here, you then want to click on Tools, scroll down, and then you want to select Head Pose. Now, in here, you want to click on the gear icon, click on Focal Length, and then we actually have to increase or decrease the focal length depending on our image. So if we actually go ahead and decrease it, you could see the face is getting a little bit bigger. But if we go ahead and increase it, we can see it getting a bit smaller. So this is the actual way for us to make the face a little bit slimmer, as you can see right here. And then we can also add our smile if we want to. And simply from there, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.